Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's tell tutorials. Today I have a case of somebody who is trying to file a dispute against me. I'll take you one on one. Ensure you learn, and in case you need any questions, you can go in my description link and get back to me. So this is one of my clients. I worked for them called Darren Loan. Once I worked for them, I delivered services to them. Once I delivered the service to them, I charged them 70 US dollars. We can see here, we can see PayPal is saying the cash is still held, is still on hold. We can see the cash is still on hold. I delivered services to Darren Law. They wanted me to connect for them PayPal and Payoneer, and I successfully did that. After delivering service to them, they tend to be cunning, and they come to PayPal and they file a dispute. They paid the for me the 70 US dollars. You can see here I've received sent by Darren Lord 70 US dollars. PayPal charged the 3.3 US dollars. So this is the email address of this client who sent me. So there is an open dispute associated with this transaction. Visit the solution center to view the status. Let us visit to view the status. So in case such a client comes and you deliver service to someone, then they become cunning on their side. They go and place a dispute, or your cash is still on hold. The reason that is on hold is that they have not ticked on from their side. The PayPal provides a provision where they should tick shipped, delivered, or in case they are goods and there is a track of the goods, they should say that the it is delivered. But I delivered to Dan and Roller service, so they should say it's shipped and the order is processed. They should take that, but they are not taking. That is why my cash is still on hold. They have gone and said and filed a dispute. PayPal is telling me we recommend you to work with Roll Daner to resolve this issue amicably by 15th September 2020 at 3:26 a.m. GMT -7. A delay of your response could make the buyer escalate this issue to PayPal. Me, I'm the seller. The Darren role is the buyer, since I was to deliver services to them. So for this case, it shows no tracking information needed because I was delivering a service, so there was no need. There was no need. This is we can come to show more. We can see in case it was a good, we would come here and add tracking information, but for my case I delivered just services, so there is no option of I'm not obligated to put the tracking information. Your conversation with with Roll Daniel, they have texted me that you have a message from Roll Daniel. Please respond as soon as possible at 26th August at 3:26 a.m. After I had delivered the service to the client, and again the client went ahead to file a dispute against me. So we can see here that we can see here that the that he has said it was a service and the seller did not deliver. This is what they sent. I will respond to Roll Daniel here. Then we have options that we can be able to resolve this issue. I'm told to add tracking information. For those people, maybe you have a case scenario where you've ordered a good from Amazon and Amazon have delivered. Then you happen to file a case that they have not delivered. They can add the tracking information to show that you've paid for a service, but the seller is delivering it. We have tracking information. They normally give GPS location, and they normally give the distance or proximity to where your language has reached upon. We have an option too where I can issue a refund. I'll not issue a refund because surely I've delivered services to Roll the rail. I told them to pay $70. They paid. Upon paying, they are not willing to release that cash to my account. We can see here, we can send an offer. We can issue a partial refund. Maybe amongst the $70 US, maybe you can find, maybe you had delivered almost halfway the job, so you can come here and enter maybe the 35, the 35, the 24 dollars. Then you say, you add the text why you want to issue a partial refund, and we will be good to go. So another place where we can come here, issue a refund. In case you want to issue a refund, you'll just click issue a refund. We say the amount will be refunded to the buyer and the case will be closed. The item will be retained by the buyer. That is in case for item. Me, I'm the item will be retained by the buyer. I've already delivered services to the buyer. Me, I'm the seller. So in case I issue a refund, the service that I rendered, where I connected, I was able to link PayPal and Payoneer, and I also enabled Community Federal Saving Bank for this client. So in case I issue a refund, that service, they will remain with them as the buyer, and I will get nothing. So for my case, I will not be issuing a refund, but it's just a way that PayPal has told us we resolve issues amicably. I will respond here. Then I will attach some screenshots to show that I really delivered services. This is the client's account. When we come to the global payment service, you can see, we can see that I delivered services to this client. We can see the Community Federal Saving Bank is enabled. Again, PayPal and Pony has been enabled. That is a service that I was charging them $70, but they can become cunning and go and file a dispute, or upon me delivering the services and them receiving my services. So we'll come here. I will type here. I will respond. They said that it was a service and the seller did not deliver. That is what role Daniel is trying to say. I'll come here. I will pick. I've written a statement to file back. The client by name Daniel Roll under this email approached me to assist them resolve a Payoneer issue, where I was to enable the CFC, Community Federal Saving Bank, and link the PayPal to Payoneer. I delivered all the services as evidenced. I charged them $70 and delivered the service to them as evidence in the attachment of the screenshots. And then I also have a recorded evidence as I link the PayPal to the Payoneer. Kindly review the attached screenshots. I'll come and copy paste that exactly. Then that is what I will be using to come and respond here. I have been able to respond. Then I will come here. Upon typing that message, I will come here and attach the evidence. It's telling me drag and drop and I'll click to browse. This is the message that I've sent the client. The client by this name. I'm just reporting the situation. The document that you upload will be shared with the buyer. Please ensure you don't include confidential information or details you won't share with you never wanted to share with the buyer. So we'll come here and we'll have to bulk some details that in this attachment, so that we don't happen to share any confidential information. It tells me the document that I upload will be shared with the buyer. So I'll come here. I'll ensure that my documents do not have any confidential information. These are the approved accounts. So we'll also come here and review the other two documents, and we'll be able to bar any information in case it is sensitive. It is very important to ensure that you bar any confidential details, because you don't want to mess up things. It tells me I can upload up to 10 MBs. I'll come here. Then I will come to pictures, where this is the session that I have my 3 documents that I'll be uploading. Here they are. I think I'm good to go. I'll come just open. The 3 documents will be attached, as ensure they have to be up to 10 MBs each, a total of 50 MBs. So mine are even smaller, they are kilobytes. I think with that information, I'll come and see attach file. These are the files. So we'll see, I think we'll come and see attach files. Once we see attached files, it will be a good defense, since I've really tried to explain to the client. The client will be able to, people will come and review it. So we can see here this is our conversation. Item not received. This is the case. We recommend that you work with the role to resolve this issue amicably before 15th. These are the order details. It says it was a service that the seller did not receive. I've come here. I have the client by name under these approached me to assist them, to assist them do this and this. Where I was to enable their community federal saving bank and also link PayPal and Pioneer. I delivered the service. I charged them US and delivered. I also recorded an evidence as I linked PayPal and Pioneer. Kindly view the attached. Then to ensure that this client do not go, I'll come and say the escalate this issue to PayPal. I want it to be a full dispute where people will come and review the evidence. Will come here, escalate to PayPal. When we are escalating to PayPal, it says if you are unable to resolve this issue working directly with the buyer, we can escalate the issue for PayPal. I already want to escalate for PayPal. Here are some of the things that you should know before escalating. You no longer be able to communicate directly with the buyer once the claim is opened. I don't want to communicate again with the buyer, because the buyer has already lost. We've already lost trust. That I delivered. I was able to link their PayPal and also enable their community federal saving bank account. I delivered a service of $70 again. After paying me, they refused to release the cash to me. Again, they went and filed a dispute. So we will review the information you provided along with the message, and you and the buyer exchange regarding this transaction. Once we make a decision, it will be final and the claim will be closed. So I will come here. Here I want to come here and surely be able I've reported the case, the situation, the way things happened. I will come here and I want to pick the case number for this case. I'll come here and I'll be able to see. Okay, I'm still logged in. I'll come here and see view the activity again. Once we view the activity, we'll be able to come here and open. I want to open the case ID because it's very important. They said already we revisit it, so that once I attach here, it will be an official document. It means that upon escalating the issue, now it's upon people to decide with the evidence that are provided. This is the case ID. This is the detail that I really wanted. So I will come and attach it along here. That this is referring to this case ID. So I think I will be good to go. I'll come here by selecting send. I certify this information is true and best to my knowledge. And I don't see somewhere that I should be attaching my document. I'll be able to say send. Once I send, now it means we no longer have a platform where we can settle this case with the client again until people makes their own decision. I think today's tutorial was very clear. So now as you can see, item not received, you have escalated the key issue. We can see we are reviewing the information. This takes about 5 days. An estimated resolution. Now Pioneer will come and this is the case. This is the note that I added to the client, and we can be able to read more. This is the conversation that the buyer, this client that I delivered service to them. I think I'm good to go. I'll wait for them for the case to be resolved. In case if somebody comes and after paying and they are reviewing, watch this tutorial and you'll be good to go. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of video recording lifestyle tutorials.